Bags can help to complete any fashion statement, but they don't always come cheap. So today I've got these bags for only $5, and we're going to review them to see if they're actually worth it. Welcome to Review, a series where we review cheap alternatives to desirable but out-of-budget items. And today we'll be reviewing these bags. What I'll be looking for in these bags today will be their practicality in their design and whether they can withstand my abuse. So right now I'm just going to be reviewing their aesthetics. So I'm just going to unbox. Guys, first thing that caught my eye right off when I unboxed this is that there's a bit of stain. I'm not sure if you guys can see. It's a bit yellowy on this side. Or maybe it's just my eye, it's just not as white. And the quality is not that bad. And this looks like a shoulder bag. This is a shoulder bag, so it's actually pretty cute. It's pretty cute. It's actually quite cute. For $5, it's not bad of a quality, I'd say. Oh my gosh. Can y'all hear that? It's the plastic. It's like the cheap material sound. So guys, for $5 though, like what can we complain about, right? So moving on, we're just gonna compare this $5 bag. Oh my god, there's still rope. Oh my god, you know what's good about this is that you can like customize the sling length of like how long you want your bag to be, and but I think it's a bit of a hassle lah, because normally these bags usually come adjustable, but it's not really adjustable for this one. So it means that if you tie the knot, it's not really gonna be adjustable anymore. Yeah. And I think the aesthetic is really pretty cute. Like, this is so cute. And it's so pink. It's so cute. It's so pink. The inside, also the same sound, y'all. It's the same sound. It's the same cheap quality again. So, but for $5, there's nothing to complain about. So right now, we're going to be testing the comfort of these bags and the weight of these bags. Firstly, right off the bat, I'm going to tell you that this bag is way lighter. I'm not sure if it's because of the material and because there's no zipper. It's just buttons. It's just a button here. So it may not be very secure for traveling overseas. Sorry, if you're traveling overseas, it might not be very suitable because it's a bit... and it's very easy to unbuckle. It's just it pops right off. So it might be a bit you might be prone to theft. But now we're gonna take a look at these this bag. Okay, the zip is actually pretty smooth. Should I try it on? And I think what's gonna fit, what is cute about this bag is that this material is satin. It doesn't look like a cheap quality to me. So I think it's very comfortable on the shoulder. And I think it can usually fit dainty stuff like your phone, your AirPods, or something small that you need, your lipstick, something that's small that you need for your trip or whatever. So cute. And it matches my fit today. And for this, I think this is super, super cute. It's super cute. But I think one of the cons come that it's not very adjustable because there's an adjusting strap here, as you can see. It's an adjusting strap. You can want it longer, you know what I mean. But this one you can't. It's just fixed because you already tied the knot, right? And this is a bit prone to theft also. And I think I realized something about these bags is that these bags, right, they don't have inner pockets. So it's not very convenient if you want to store anything because it's gonna be a mess inside. Especially these bags, because this bag is very flimsy. If you put a heavy stuff inside, right, it will just sink. You don't know what I mean? Yeah, this is what I mean. It just sinks. The bag material is not very... It doesn't have the strength to support heavy items. So, but for the price of $5, I'm not really expecting much. So guys, please let me know in the comments below what kind of bags do you guys bring on outings? Or are you the type to just stuff everything in your pocket? Let me know in the comments below. Hey guys, so now we're going to be doing the weight test, and here comes my time to shine with all these items. I'm gonna say these items is so heavy. This is literally the weight of 2 of my MacBooks. MacBook Air, and I use MacBook Air. Okay, so we're gonna put all these batteries inside this bag. So guys, I gotta put it inside. let me zip it up. Let me zip it up. Wow, if this can zip, right, I'm gonna buy this. Yeah, I can't zip. Never mind, it can. Okay, but guys, after I zip, right, you know what I realized? Can you please zoom here? Do you see this? Can you see here? Is it because I stretched it so that it can zip, or is it because the quality is just bad? Okay, now I'm gonna throw. Bro, I swear. It's pretty sturdy. Oh my god, I'm quite surprised by this because it's pretty sturdy. There are no deformations. Oh my god, I actually doubted this because like this quality is really bad. Like just like how I just crushed it. There's no like, you know, like cause some bags, right, when you put heavy stuff, then they will tend to like have like a defect where like they sink a bit more. But it's not. It's perfect. It's perfectly intact. Now let's move on to the next bag. Actually, this bag is a bit constrained because there's not much I can put inside. And I unfortunately cannot button this up, so I'm just gonna... Actually, this bag is also pretty shocking. Oh my gosh. Actually, actually they're both pretty sturdy, not gonna lie, they're both pretty sturdy. Wow. I think that's enough of torturing these bags, man. Let me check if there's any defects. Nowhere, there's no defects. Let me see on the inside. Yep, it's just as good as new. But I can't guarantee for like long-term use because like it's just a one-time thing. So it might appear steady now, but who knows in the future, right? Actually, it's expected of a bag. Like you can't expect me to put like power bank and expect it to have a hole, right? I mean, if there is a hole in the bag, then it's gonna be a bit like, So guys, should these bags actually just be viewed or are they actually valuable? Well, in my opinion, I would actually buy these. These are so valuable. Okay, I mean in the sense that I would purchase this because it's so cute. Like, what could go wrong with these, right? And this is super comfortable, like this one on the shoulder. I think because of the material, it's like a bit like it's like satin material. And I think, and since they can withstand that heaviness, right? I think they should do okay without my torment. Hey guys, thank you guys for watching, and that's all for today. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content, and please don't forget to leave it down in the comments below on what kind of product you'd like us to review next. With that, see you guys soon. Bye!